Nous sommes à l'été 2003, lorsqu'arrive à Manchester United un petit jeune que tout le vestiaire réclamait suite au match contre le Sporting Lisbonne quelques jours plus tôt. 15 millions d'euros, c'est le prix pour obtenir Cristiano Ronaldo à l'époque, à qui l'on confie directement le numéro 7 légendaire du club. C'est le début de CR7. Et c'est Sir Alex Ferguson qui va créer un monstre. Pendant ces 6 années, Cristiano va progresser en épurant de plus en plus son jeu pour devenir la machine à but du Real Madrid. Si vous ne l'avez jamais vu sous son maillot rouge, asseyez-vous et mouillez-vous la nuque. Cristiano Ronaldo à Manchester United, c'était ça.
It is Ronaldo! Oh! Wouldn't you just know it? Here he comes. Oh my word! Can you believe the genius of this man?
C'était d'abord un premier but contre Portsmouth en 2003.
All the way through and in. I think he'll claim that. Cristiano Ronaldo's.
Puis plein d'autres buts.
Ronaldo onto his left foot. Ronaldo! Oh! Is there anything this man can't do? What a stunning goal from Cristiano Ronaldo.
Davis with a poor header. And Ronaldo! Minutes gone. Ronaldo got his head to it. And it comes back to him. Oh, what a finish! Trying to curl it now. Is Ronaldo on fire?
Ronaldo's header! Power in the middle. Ronaldo at the far post. It's towards Cristiano Ronaldo! Oh, he's done it again!
C'était des dribbles en pagaille.
He can break. Ronaldo. Oh, outstanding. Look at that.
Walker at one end, Lampard at the other.
Guess that's him dead labeling everyone.
Ronaldo. Who wants it? Oh, it's Ronaldo.
Triple toes himself for the first time. Cristiano Ronaldo. Away from Anderson Polga.
Now a real test of United mettle. Just the crowd are right behind Portsmouth now, but Ronaldo quickly involved and quickly
Taking them on, typical fashion.
Portuguese.
Players out there are plenty.
Ronaldo skips away from Samba. This man has stayed on. Cristiano Ronaldo.
Ronaldo typically Rangnick setting himself.
Ronaldo. Qué caño le ha hecho Ronaldo ahí a Clerc. Did well then to pick out Ronaldo, who's done brilliantly himself.
Beautifully past Essien.
Away from O'Neill. Still going. Cristiano Ronaldo.
C'était 7 séries de dribbles.
Third year in a row, it looks as if there'll be no silverware heading to the Arsenal Trophy cabinet.
C'était un prix Puskás. C'était des célébrations. C'était son premier triplé contre Newcastle.
Ronaldo. 20 for the season for the brilliant Portuguese. Tevez, geometric perfection. Ronaldo
C'était une première ligue remportée, puis une deuxième, puis une troisième. C'était des gestes fantasques.
What about that from Ronaldo?
A trick. He's got a corner. Here last year, Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh, sells him a dummy. Great skill. Ronaldo's, look at his skill, Paddy.
The end, but somehow or other he managed to keep possession. Doesn't always come off, but he always tries something different.
Yeah, a little bit. Ronaldo.
He's wonderful to watch. He really is.
C'était des joueurs humiliés.
He's forwarded to him early on. To United centre half, Lobatone.
And here goes Cristiano Ronaldo in familiar style, and in familiar style he scored.
And O'Shea to clear. And here goes Ronaldo.
C'était à l'époque le joueur le mieux payé de l'histoire du club. Et puis c'était des passes décisives.
Arrives on the scene to put Manchester United in. Tevez. Ronaldo parks in loads of space. What a ball that is to Tevez! From Ronaldo. He's got the chance to make amends here. It's Rooney!
C'était 7 passes décisives.
Another replay, it was the defender. Another flick from Ronaldo. It's Rooney! This is football from the dream. Right at the end of the
C'était des
first
coups
half.
francs.
It is Ronaldo! Oh, what a goal! What a strike!
Ronaldo.
Brilliant! Made in Lisbon!
Let's see. Didn't this time. Magnificent!
Ronaldo! 20 for the season!
Puis c'était ce coup franc.
Here he comes. Oh my word! Can you believe the genius of this man?
Puis c'était ce coup franc aussi.
Too far for Ronaldo to think about it. Oh! Absolutely sensational! He went through Almunia, beaten for pace. And Manchester United have...
Puis c'est devenu le meilleur buteur du club sur une saison. 31 buts en 34 matchs de Première Ligue, 8 buts en 11 matchs de Ligue des Champions, 42 buts sur la saison. Au final, c'est 6 ans à United. C'est un but en finale de Ligue des Champions. Et quel but!
On that, and here's Brown. For Ronaldo!
C'est une première Ligue des Champions. Bref, c'est un ballon d'or.
It's Cristiano Ronaldo, he has got the goal! And he's done it! A century of Manchester United goals for Cristiano Ronaldo!
Aujourd'hui, il est de retour. Son numéro 7 dans le dos. Et il s'apprête à démarrer contre Newcastle. Comme un symbole.